Today, the theory of evolution is actually open to doubt and to question as much as the theory or the understanding that obviously the earth moves around the sun and that the sun is stationary, the sun does not move, it obviously remains still and stands in its own place, and that the earth and the other planets and everything else in the solar system moves around the sun or revolves around the sun. But then again, the theory of evolution today is as much open to doubt and question as is the theory of earth revolving around the sun in one or another. So we can doubt, we can question the already made and developed theory of evolution of Charles Darwin. But then again, what can we possibly add to that? Obviously, whatever we could understood, we have understood, so that it's an autonomic, sovereign, principled process of evolution, that universe carried out by itself, or that the earth developed and cultivated by itself for the cultivation of phenomena, creation of species, human beings, animals, and everything else that is infinite, incomprehensible before us. They exist because of evolution, have happened because of the evolutionary processes in one or another. That is the thing we need to try to understand, that it's neither about our knowledge nor about someone inventing something else entirely, but the way the earth functions, the way the world and the biology functions. Obviously, vegetation with their absolute sovereignty, independence, and freedom, that is absolutely striking and unbelievable in itself, in one or another. That is what we should try to understand. So just arguing with each other for nothing. Self contemplation and self awareness can help. So because definitely the unexamined life is not worth living. So we can doubt the theory of evolution as much as we like or want, but ultimately we can change nothing, because nature develops on its own. Nature, biology evolve in accordance with their own sovereign principles and means and ends. We can only understand these things. We can only write down the things we understand and observe them, but we can neither change nor control anything fundamentally that happens or that does not happen in nature or before us. That is the thing we need to try to understand, that ultimately we're not in control over anything, not even over ourselves. We cannot control our impulses, tyrannies, strives, desires, passions, and we certainly cannot control the others' opinions, judgments, thoughts either. And we cannot prevent nature from happening. We cannot stop evolution. We cannot prevent life and birth. Everything unfolds the way it unfolds